Hey, good lifers. Today we're going to learn how to reprogram your exterior garage keypad. First, check to see if you have battery power. Some remotes may vary based on the motor, but for the most part, they're universal. For this specific universal remote, you press and hold the star and pound button until the light on the keypad stops blinking. Little hard to tell in the sun here, but we're blinking. And we have stopped. Enter a 4-digit PIN of your choice. Press the pound button. Press the enter button the number of times that corresponds with your garage door motor type. This you may have to look up. However, we do have instructions on this specific keypad. This one is going to be 1 time. Press and release the 0 button. Press and release the learn button 1 time on the garage door opener. Next, we'll head to the motor itself. This is a yellow button which corresponded with 1 time that I already dialed in on the pad. We press the learn button. Enter the 4-digit PIN and press and release the enter button until the garage door opener lights and flashes or clicks. So we will repeat our desired code. Enter, and we receive that flash. Garage doors will close anytime you push enter. No need to put in the code. And let's see if our program was successful. There we have it.